though, the big story is just the cool air mass that's moved in following the record heat we had earlier this week. And as we get the cooler air moving over the warmer waters of Lake Huron and Lake Michigan, even Lake Superior, we're seeing a little bit of lake enhancement with some lake effect clouds and even a few showers and sprinkles here and there, especially right along the Thumb. Thumb will be favored for those rain showers this morning if you're east of Interstate 75. Once you get west of here, you have to head up towards closer to Lake Michigan and Lake Superior to see some lake effect there. So a mix of clouds and sunshine with a few morning showers in the Thumb. Otherwise, the story will be the cooler weather when you step outside today compared to the past couple of mornings where we've been stuck into the 70s, even near 80. We're at 52 now in Saginaw, 53 in Flint, 52 in Bay City, 48 in Clare, 47 in Mount Pleasant and Tawas, 51 in Bad Axe, and 52 degrees in Owasso. Owasso, just a couple of mornings ago, we were at 80 degrees. That's way too hot for this time of year. We're actually near our average low, which is in the low 50s. And our average high is in the low 70s. We're getting nowhere near that today, partly because of the cloud cover we'll see coming in off the lakes this morning. But as we gradually break up that cloud cover later this morning and into the early afternoon, that's when we'll start to talk about temperatures getting to about 60 at best as we go into the afternoon today, but I think most of us will actually stay into the mid to upper 50s. So here's how Futurecast pans it out for us this morning. 8 to noon, we're looking at the rain shower potential here in the lake, at least in the Thumb near Lake Huron. By 4 o'clock, though, notice that we're starting to fade out some of those brighter whites, and that means the skies will start to break up a little bit and allow for some sunshine. That's good and bad news. Good news because we'd rather have sunny skies than cloudy skies, right? Bad news because you need clear skies and light winds to give you the optimal ingredients for cooling off for the overnights. That's what we're going to see tonight, and that's why we have the frost advisories out, where many spots will be dropping into the low to mid 30s. There even could be a few spots even below freezing as we go into the overnight, and that's mainly in the interior portion of the mitten, away from Lake Michigan and Lake Huron. Remember, water temperatures there are still into the 50s and 60s. Now, as we go throughout the day tomorrow, though, things get much better for us. So after your chilly Football Friday night forecast, where we'll be into the low 50s at kickoff, temperatures are going to slowly start to get a little cooler overnight tonight. So as we go to about 9, 10 o'clock, temperatures will bottom out probably into the upper 40s by that point. If you're heading to Ann Arbor tomorrow, look at the game day forecast here as Akron comes to Michigan. Beautiful football weather. Lots of sunny skies, temperatures into the upper 60s, and that's also the case if you're heading to East Lansing, looking at a temperature by kickoff of about 64 and 68 degrees by the time the game is over. Your 7-day forecast shows that after the frost potential tomorrow morning, the next big weather system to talk about, which isn't really a big one, just a few showers coming in with another front on Sunday that will cool us off again for Monday. And then we warm up actually going from Wednesday into Thursday next week. Joel?
All righty, Jason, and your health news.